Welcome to the channel. Weather forecasting has always been a blend of science, data, and guesswork. For decades, meteorologists have relied on massive supercomputers to predict weather patterns. But now, a new player has entered the game. A game-changing AI developed by DeepMind is starting to outperform traditional weather prediction models, and it's shaking up the entire industry. DeepMind, the AI research lab known for its groundbreaking advancements in machine learning, is now setting its sights on improving weather forecasting. But how is AI able to predict weather more accurately than ever before? Let's dive into the technology behind this revolution. Weather forecasting has always been a tough challenge. Traditional methods rely on high-performance computers that run complex simulations of the atmosphere. These models process billions of data points from satellites, sensors, and weather stations around the world. These supercomputers simulate different scenarios based on past weather data, attempting to predict future events. But there's a catch. Even the best models can struggle with predicting sudden changes in weather, especially over long periods or in extreme conditions. Accuracy starts to degrade, and forecasts lose their reliability. That's where DeepMind's AI comes in. Instead of relying on complex simulations, DeepMind's AI uses a new technique called generative modeling, which focuses on patterns within weather data itself. The AI looks at vast amounts of historical weather data, identifies subtle patterns, and learns to predict future weather events, much like the human brain processes and anticipates future actions. The key difference is that DeepMind's AI doesn't just simulate the atmosphere, it understands it. This results in more accurate predictions, faster processing times, and greater precision. But how does it compare to traditional forecasting methods? Traditional models use a process called numerical weather prediction, which is essentially based on equations that simulate how air, water, and temperature interact in the atmosphere. These models have been improved over decades, but they still have limitations. They need massive computational power, and their predictions can lose accuracy as they extend further into the future. On the other hand, DeepMind's AI model uses machine learning to predict the weather by analyzing historical data and recognizing recurring patterns. This method is more flexible, adaptive, and able to handle uncertainties in a way that traditional methods can't. The result? AI-powered forecasts can make predictions with much higher accuracy, even for complex events like sudden storms or temperature spikes. One of the key advantages of DeepMind's AI is its speed. Traditional weather models require huge computational resources and long processing times to generate forecasts. DeepMind's AI, however, can produce accurate weather predictions much faster, even in real time. This speed is a game changer for industries like agriculture, aviation, and disaster management, where timely information is critical. Imagine being able to predict a weather pattern minutes or even hours before a traditional forecast would. That's the power of DeepMind's AI. But it's not just about speed and accuracy. DeepMind's AI is also making waves by improving weather prediction on a global scale. Thanks to its ability to analyze complex massive datasets, AI is able to forecast weather more effectively across entire regions, especially in areas where traditional weather models may be limited. By breaking down weather patterns at a granular level, AI can predict microclimates and local weather changes that would otherwise go unnoticed. This is a huge advantage, especially in regions with unpredictable weather, like coastal areas or places with complex geography. So, how does all this translate into real-world benefits? Well, more accurate weather predictions mean better preparedness for natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. It also means safer travel conditions, more effective agricultural planning, and improved energy management. For businesses, this AI-driven forecasting means less downtime, lower costs, and smarter decision-making. Industries relying on weather data can now make more informed decisions, saving time, money, and even lives. As DeepMind continues to refine its weather forecasting models, the potential applications are limitless. From predicting long-term climate change impacts to providing hyper-accurate localized forecasts, AI is poised to reshape the way we understand and respond to the weather. By blending cutting-edge machine learning with traditional weather science, DeepMind's AI is not just improving forecasts, it's setting the stage for the next generation of weather prediction. DeepMind's AI is proving that the future of weather forecasting doesn't lie in outdated models or supercomputers. It lies in intelligence. And as this technology evolves, we can expect even more breakthroughs that will change how we predict and respond to the weather. Stay ahead of the curve and discover more about how AI is revolutionizing industries. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.